Alright, so I was here thinking about making another piece of metal art. I've got an idea that I think I need. Let's see here, I'm going to need a couple wrenches, some nuts and bolts, probably mostly just some nuts, a lag bolt or a stove bolt, and about 8 nuts and some welding rod. So we'll go ahead and grab that stuff. Alright, well what I ended up making was a little V8, I call him a V8 Spider. Guess you could call him that. Used some nuts here and then another set of 5 nuts here. These are 5/16, I believe these are the bigger 3/8, 7/16. Some welding rod. I cut a couple wrenches down so I could use the Craftsman here. This one was that one that was broken. This was like a cheap Chinese one. A couple stove bolts for carb cleaners, and just tack those on. And then a hose clamp with a couple Allen wrenches for pulleys, and you have kind of a little V8 spider. That ends today's project, which was to do some metal art and clean up a little bit. So got that done, and remember, get out there and create something today, even if it sucks. Peace.